Introduction to Economics, Roots of Economic Way of Thinking, Part 4, adapted from my college notes taken a couple of years ago, presented by Doug Bainbridge. Elasticity of Demand. Elasticity is the ratio of the percentage change in two variables. Price elasticity of demand is defined as the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in price. Absolute value is defined as the numerical value of a real number without regard to its sign. So in the case of price elasticity of demand, if the result equals -1, for example, the absolute value is 1, just as if it is 1, then the absolute value is 1. So using the calculation of percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price, as shown above, if the absolute value of price elasticity of demand is greater than 1, then the quantity demanded is responsive to price. If the absolute value of price elasticity of demand is less than 1, then the quantity demanded is not responsive to price. If the absolute value of price elasticity of demand equals 1, then it is called unit elastic. And now some math. Suppose A equals B times C. Then for small changes, a percentage change in A equals a percentage change in B plus a percentage change in C. Also, suppose A equals B divided by C. Then for small changes, a percentage change in A equals percentage change in B minus a percentage change in C. Expenditures. Expenditures equals price times quantity. Following the math of the previous slide, the percent change in expenditures equals the percent change in price plus the percent change in quantity. Suppose that the absolute value of price elasticity of demand equals 20% change in quantity demanded divided by -10% change in the price. That result would be 2, as it shows here. Therefore, the percent change in expenditures equals -10% change in price plus 20% change in quantity, which equals 10% positive change in expenditures. Or suppose absolute value of price elasticity of demand equals a -20% change in quantity demanded divided by a positive 10% change in price. And the result there would also be 2, of course, because it's the absolute value. And the result would be the percent change in expenditures would equal the 10% change in price plus the -20% change in quantity, which would result in a -10% change in expenditures. Conclusion. If the quantity demanded is responsive to price, that is, if prices increase, then expenditures decrease, and if prices decrease, then expenditures increase. Now, if the quantity demanded is not responsive to price, if prices increase, then expenditures increase, and if prices decrease, then expenditures decrease. If the quantity demanded is not affected by price, if prices increase, then expenditures stay the same, and if prices decrease, then expenditures stay the same. I apologize, this wasn't one of the more exciting entries here, but down the road, this is useful. Hope this is helpful. Again, this is presented by Doug Bainbridge. Have a great day.